Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice, and if you would, like, share, and subscribe. Well, in my last live stream, Grandpa did an hour and 5 minutes, but I only did about 13 minutes worth of live stream. I forgot to shut it off. So, it's very interesting. Throughout that 45-minute period, you can hear Grandpa snoring. You can hear Murphy, the dog, snoring. And best of all, you can hear Grandma snoring. So you're probably going to want to listen to the whole live stream, even though it has absolutely nothing to do with Tesla after the first 13, 14 minutes. But it does tell you a lot about snoring. Okay, so all kidding aside, I think we're going to gap down and open at 204.50 area. And there's a few things I want to point out about that. Multiple things, and why I think we're going to probably see 197 tomorrow. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to start out with 208.49 for a high. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, most traders take and buy at even numbers like 250, 300, 350. They like even numbers. Even I like to set my deal in 5 increments and do 270 or something like that, and 250. But they stopped this bus at 249, and the closest they came back to it was 208.44. Okay, a little bit underneath it. They didn't bring it back to it. Everybody waited for the 250, and a lot of people were going to probably take their profits there. They were going to buy back their long positions, which makes a short, which puts downward pressure on the market. And I would venture to say there were probably a ton of them right at 208.50, but they didn't give it to them. They did not give it to them. And this is important because when we gap down, like Grandpa thinks, all the way down here to 204.50 tomorrow morning at the open, these guys are going to get real nervous. They're going to think 197. They're going to think 180. I missed my opportunity. I can still get some profit. I'm going to get out of this bus. And they're going to give up their long positions, take their profit, whatever it is, and as they do that, the price is going to come down, 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 down. The other thing is the volume, although it was higher on higher prices, was only 76 million. The average volume in Tesla is 90.5, and on a good volume day, it's 120. 120 million, not 76. 76 is still relatively weak volume. It's not even average. It's 20 million shares under average. So, and then also, I hate to tell you this, but I think you're going to probably have a death cross in by morning. Uh, right about the time that 204.50 comes into play, or even 205, if I'm even off by 50 cents and you get 205, which would be right here with what would be considered a resistance area. Uh, but I think they'll probably take us to that 204.50 just to put the fear in and make it real. Okay, I'm going to show you right here. The 50 moving average is finally broken through uh, above the price from down here, she stayed in it all the way till what time? 7:20. So 40 minutes before the close, she broke through. And I'm gonna make this thing bigger so you can see it clear. Okay, so she broke through right here. She went above. I think we're gonna gap down. The 200 is coming up, and they'll start trading this bus at 4 a.m. And as they're coming down with the price, this thing is going to come down. It's going to meet this one coming up. It's going to cross, and somewhere around the 205, I'm just guessing now, but I'm anticipating somewhere around the 205, we're going to have a death cross in the 5 minute. And that's probably going to be good for about $9. So what's 9 from 205? Well, what's 8 from 205? Oh, 197. So, I really think we're going to probably see the mid 196, 197 tomorrow. And, we'll see from there where we go. If we have any trouble in Israel, you're going to see 149. If Iran does the big nasty by Thursday, like they're saying, the markets do not like uncertainty. You know that. And you know what I'm going to do for you guys this time? Not that anybody really cares. I'm going to shut my live stream off this time. Hey, think about eternity. Grandpa does. And could Grandpa be wrong about it gapping down and opening at 204? Yep. But I don't think so. I think it might just do it. Okay, and if you want some entertainment, listen to my last live stream. There's snoring, there's gurgling, it's exciting. If you have sleep apnea, that will put you to sleep. See you later. Bye-bye.